How to change birthday on Snapchat after a limit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your birthday on Snapchat after the limit, after you have already changed it. Now if you just open up Snapchat, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and then tap on settings icon at the top right, and if you head into birthday option, you'll be able to change your birthday right here. Right now you can see changes can take up to 24 hours to take effect, and you can only change it a limited number of times. And after you have reached the limit, if you want to change it, what you have to do is you want to scroll down here and you want to tap on I need help option at the support. Under support, you'll have to tap on I need help, and here you want to tap on the option that says managing my account. And once you tap on managing my account, you want to tap on birthday option, and here now what you want to do is you'll have to make a report. You will have to submit a report. If you just go ahead and tap on it, and here you can see Snapchat support cannot change your birthday for you, it says. But if you just head into your browser and search in for Snapchat a request, and you'll have to go ahead and submit a request here. You want to type in that my birthday was changed by mistake and I want to set it back to another, I want to change it to other birthday. And if you do so, they might be able to help you and get you back, and once they get back, they'll be able to help you change your birth date. So this is one of the ways that you can change your birthday on Snapchat after reaching the limit. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.